How to fix Instagram community guidelines easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you want to do is open your Instagram, go to your profile and then click on edit profile right here and change your profile photo and then click on yes. Go back, open this settings option, click on this help. You will find 5 options right here. Click on the first one and click on report problem without shaking. And now all what you want to do is briefly explain what happened or what's not working from here and then send a screenshot or a photo from gallery uh, to the Instagram support team so they can help you after a few hours. Click next and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.